Good morning, dear student. Hope you are all doing well. I am your science teacher, and today we will start a very interesting chapter that's name is Animal Home. In this chapter, you will read about most animal need home to live in and identify homes of different animals. For example, a cow live in a cowshed. A home protects an animal from heat, cold, rain, and enemies. The home for a cow is a cowshed. And horse live in a stable. So the home for a horse is a stable. And the home for hen is a cage. And hen lays egg in cage. Nest. The bird lays egg in their nest and they make their nest in trees. Hive. Hive is a home of bee. The home for a bee is a hive. And the lion live in a den. So the home for a lion is a den. And there are other animals which live in different kinds of homes. For example, monkey, squirrel, and many birds live in trees. The giraffe and deer live in thick group of trees. The ostrich and elephant live on grassland, and rats and snake live in holes in the ground. The some snake live in trees also. So this is your chapter, and in this chapter you have studied about different types of home of different animals. Most animals need home to live in, while other are wild animals that don't need homes to live in. They live in forests. A home are very important for human as well as domestic animals. Animals live in a variety of homes from trees to dens and groups. So this is your lesson, and now you will come to your back exercise. Back exercise number 1, fill in the blanks. You will do your fill in the blank on your book, and you will also solve your take the correct option on your notebook. And you will do your answer these question on notebook. Thank you.